Kokborok tai other Indigenous Language Department ni Luazimung Bai sing 46 Kokbor Recognition Day 2024 sing palanya thang tongo tabung kai sing lama himbotok khumulung yakli academy ni simi khumulung igopal jora sing himlainai kai boni yakolang kara formal program nai tini ni je formal program inaugurator ngai phaimanjak phaine TTDC ni honorable chief executive member borong borong punno samno jamatia tai naroi okra hai ke chief guest ni phaimanjak phaine Tripura Legislative Assembly ni leader of opposition borong borong Onimesh Daporma tai pandawa asuk hangnai sini TTDC ni honorable EM education tai Kokborok department ni borong borong Robindra Daporma tai joto borong borong EM song borong kai guest of honor tai special guest tongo sini chief executive officer tai borong borong local MDC Ganesh Daporma tai sini chief legal advisor tongo tai khorta tongo sini ex EM borong borong Sondoy Rupini tai tini ni je Kokborok recognition day manma salna palai thani sini 15 hai keba kangsiba bijab sung tini karinai borok bo senior of kabinai boni yaglo sini je competition tongo mia to drawing competition ka abo tini result lui borno prize rijangnai boni yaglo sini koktang samani competition bongnai a stage boni yaglo sini folk music college ni phrungnai juk tai phrungnai ro students borok resabnai engkai boni yaglo sini naroi ro kokam khararnai engkai paithago sung awan bangi rok chalainai ahi khlai sung tini sini Kokborok recognition day manma salno sung palai hambai hambai sung oro tabuk yakli academy ni student tongo tai Khumphui academy ni student tongo engkai Ekalabya residential school ni tongo tai chei Sasa academy ni student ongna tui abona kari basino officer rok tongo tai phrungnai jurok tongo tai ok khumulung inspectorate under ni je TTDC ni je staff teacher rok borok participant khai